Hello traders, the title of the video is Mastering the Relative Strength Index Momentum Trading like a Pro, Part 2. Have you watched Part 1 already? If you do not, or if you did not, okay, please watch Part 1, okay, so you may understand how to use the relative strength index momentum trading like a pro. All right. In this second part, I want to talk about another different aspect of using the RSI momentum. All right. So we are talking about the RSI, the momentum of the RSI itself, the rate of change of the RSI indicator itself, not the price itself. All right. So if the RSI, as I was telling traders in the first part, so the second part, what are we looking for? So I'm going to go very fast, all right? That's why I said you have to watch the first part. In the second part, we want to look for the RSI, okay, has bottom. Okay, so in the first part, it has peaked, the moment the RSI has peaked, the momentum of the RSI has peaked. In the second part, we are looking for the momentum of the RSI to bottom. So here it is. So we draw a bearish a trend line along the declining RSI period 14. If the RSI, the declining RSI 14 pierces through that bearish trend line, we say that that RSI, the momentum of that RSI has bottom. That's it. That's what we are looking for. So we're going to go very fast this time. So here again, it's going down. The RSI period 14 is declining, indicating to add the momentum of this momentum, the momentum oscillator, the momentum of the RSI has bottom. If the RSI itself breaks above its own bearish trend line, here it is. You want to see a clear-cut break above. All right. Don't assume. So you want to allow it to clearly break above that trend line. This is very, very important. See it clearly, neatly closed. No dust. Okay? All right? Clean. All right? So another example here. Let's move on very fast. We don't want it to be too long. Again, RSI is 14 declining. We can use any setting for the RSI. But RSI 14 is doing a very good job here. All right? So again, declining. Now it pierces through its own bearish trend line. That's what we are looking for. Okay, let's put a bit of color into this now. Stay with me, please. Stay with me, please. I have not finished yet. I'm just breathing it and breathing out for now. All right. So don't run away, please. Okay. You want to hold traders' attention before they run away. All right. On YouTube, very important. Here again, we are looking for it. Break into, is it clean cut now? Yeah, this is clean cut. This is clean cut. Okay, so it breaks above its own bearish trend line, indicating to us that the momentum of the RSI itself, okay, has a bottom. Good. So you know it now. Okay, this is what we are looking for. The first thing we are looking for. The next thing that we are looking for, I'm bringing you back here. Pay attention to my cursor here. We wait for a confirmation. The price must display a higher low or equal low or a bullish chart pattern. When the RSI has bottom, is there another word for bottom? This has nothing to do with sex, by the way, because I need to tell this to you too, to the algorithm. This has nothing to do with sex, all right? We are talking about a chart pattern, all right? Has bottom, it has peaks, the opposite of has peak, has bottom. Is there another word we can use? All right. Okay. So here we are. So here we are looking for, if you see the RSI, okay, has reached its, it's oversold. I don't want to use the word oversold here, because when I start using the word oversold, trader will think that below 30 or whatever, we are talking about RSI has bottom. That's a better word, because it has broken a bearish trend line. That's how we know. So after that, we are looking for the price to form a bullish chart pattern, a higher low, to confirm that, okay, the speed of the price also has bottom. The bearish speed of the price has also bottom. So this is a good example here. After, okay, the RSI has bottom, the price form, okay, a higher low. In fact, you see what has happened here. The price breaks above that bearish trend line and retests it here, forming equal low. At this point in time, the next step is to use, very, very important, to use a different time frame trading method. So I'm on a monthly chart. I want to swing trade. I will use monthly chart, daily chart, hourly time frame. If I don't want to enter on the hourly time frame, I'll go to the 10-minute time frame. We want to day trade. We can use this on the 4-hour time frame, hourly time frame, 30-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame. Die hard scalping trader will be busy scalping like a mad dogs on the 3-minute time frame, doing all sorts of things. This is not to insult traders, all right, to make them laugh instead, but the best approach is to use different time frame. Even if you want to scalp trade, you can use the hourly time frame for the setup, and then you break it down to the 10-minute time frame, and then you ride before you go even to your 3-minute time frame. All right. So if you are scalping like all right, crazy scalper, there are crazy scalpers out there. It's not in the proper sense of the word crazy, but they like to scalp trade, all right, every day. All right. That's what I'm talking about. Again, here the RSI has bottom, all right, so we wait for confirmation again. Here it is. I think I'm going over my time now. Let's check my time. Yes, almost there. So wait for confirmation. Now the price has breaks above. Here it is. This is our confirmation here. See, it breaks above that bearish line, retest it here. We have a nice doji there. You see, nice doji there. This is your trading setup. Now implement a different time frame trading method to trade it like a pro. I will not dwell on this anymore. That's it. All right. We can apply this for day trading, swing trading, position trading, and scalping. RSI has bottom. Price give us confirmation, a higher low, a bullish chart pattern, an inverted high, they show that chart pattern, all kind of bullish indication, a higher low, breaks a bull retest. Now, don't buy straight away. Use a different time frame trading method. As always, you learn something new for the first time. Use a demo account, okay, to practice first until you master it. Though the one I'm showing you here are clean cut, sometimes can be a little bit challenging. Trader must pay attention to the economy news and not violate, okay, the trading drill, the setup, the signal, and the low risk entry point. All right, very, very important. Here again, the RSI has bottom. All right, here it is. So where we wait for confirmation. So if I put, where am I? I'm under time pressure now. We break it. Is that correct? Somewhere there it breaks above here. Where are we? See, clean cut. It breaks above it. That the RSI has bottom. Now where is the higher low? Don't ignore the price. After the RSI has bottom, you acknowledge it. You put it aside. You can just go like this. It has bottom. That's it. That's all you want to know. It has bottom. That's it. Now switch your attention to the price itself. Just here it is. There is a resistance here. Now it's running away. You say, oh, Joe, it's going too fast. What should I do? That's a different video, okay? So now finally they were very friendly here, which I don't like, because you'll be thinking that they're going to bring it back to retest it here. But you need to be very, very careful. In that case, you see, this is a tricky one I need to mention very fast. There was a consolidation before. Switch into market geometry here. This is a bit, you need to be multi-talented trader to handle this one carefully, because normally the greedy bullish trader should bring it back here before they bring it up. Now they are running away with it like a rugby game. They don't want to slow down. You have to catch them, all right? So you have to project it and handle it carefully, all right? So we project that channel to the upside. And we want to pay attention also to the median line of that projected channel. That's where they put it. So those are the levels you want to watch. Break it, both the median line, retest it. There's a nice doji sitting there, candlestick bar, tricky place. We will prefer this level here. We use a top-down trading method to control it carefully. There's a resistance ahead, which is the top here. You see the projection of the channel, the top is a resistance there. Handle it carefully and take it like a pole using a top-down trading method. Very simple. Now we are here. This is a good one for you now. So the RSI has bottom. RSI 14. What are you going to do now? The price in a declining channel. What are you going to do, my friend? Or what are you going to do? So now, again, practically speaking, it's broken. So put your vertical line there. Okay. So put vertical line. That's where we are now. That monthly candlestick by stuck in a declining channel. Can we buy? Is there a signal? Let's go. There's no signal here, because you see, this is a violation of market pattern. So you want to buy in a declining channel, you have to be very, very careful. Those who bought it near the median line was not a bad place, but that time the RSI did not bottom. Now it has bottom. Either way, you wait patiently, form a higher low, all right? Or it breaks above a trend line, retest, or we start seeing some bullish chart pattern. So as a swing trader, we may go to the daily chart to start zooming into it and see what is going on here. All right. So those are the things that you need to do, okay, to trade, okay, to master the relative strength index momentum trading like a pro. All right. I can go on and on and on, but I don't want the video to be too long. I will stop here. Okay. All I will say to you is that we are looking for the RSI to bottom, which means breaking above its own bearish trend line. All right. And then we wait for confirmation, probably form a bullish chart pattern, a higher low, an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, a confirmation that the price is about to go up. We do not buy straight away. We use a different time frame trading method to trade it. If the signal fails, we are out. Very simple and very powerful. All right. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and of course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If you find this video truly useful, let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you find it useless, let us know by giving us the thumbs down. If you think that this is an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about mastering the relative strength index, momentum trading, like a pro, a part 2. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon. As always, if you learn something new for the first time, for new traders, practice until you master it. Thank you for watching, and speak to you soon.